Managing clients' calendar. Below is a list of key questions and to-dos, so you can learn about your client. The better you know, the better you can support them as a virtual assistant. Question to ask yourself in order to get a preliminary sense of your client's calendar. What does your client's calendar currently look like? Is there a pattern you are seeing, for example blocks of time that are left empty or recurring meetings? Are there names that show up more often than others in your client's calendar? These might be priorities. Does your client use the same calendar for personal things, for example dinner, tennis games, etc.? How do they currently differentiate online meetings and those that are in person? How do they label meetings? What can you do with the permissions you have been given? Can you send and accept meetings using their calendar, or can you only add meetings? My next video discusses the questions you should ask your client before managing his or her calendar. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, like my videos and subscribe to my channel today, and let's dive into the world of virtual assistant together. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and best practices for everything from managing your time effectively to mastering the latest tools and software. Compiled virtual assistant notes available at an affordable cost. Contact me via my email provided in the description. Thank you.